for you? Alright, pretty sure I'm Italian, so we're going to make Canederli in Bordeaux, and this is another awkward video for me. For this, an egg. One egg. Oh.
What happened?
I don't think you want eggshells in it.
Texture.
Okay, a couple of breadcrumbs, panko breadcrumbs.
Are those seasoned or unseasoned?
No, these are unseasoned. And then a cup of milk. Salt and pepper and nutmeg.
How much nutmeg?
I don't know, a shake or 2 or 3.
You don't measure?
No, I don't measure anything.
You seem so unsure of that level of salt.
Well, this one comes out quick.
Wait, first you said 1 or 2 or 3. That was a lot of shakes.
It came out slow, so I had to add more.
Oh.
Okay, and that gets covered and you put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. So after it's been sitting for half an hour in the fridge, just scoop, make a ball, roll it around in flour, and compact it. There's one. Do that to the rest of it. Good. Boiled a big old pot of beef broth, balls, put them in there, and let it boil for 8 minutes. Now we pull them out of the boiling water, or broth, whatever. Put them on a plate. Take some broth, pour it on the bottom of the plate. There it is, Canederli in Bordeaux.